Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told the half-life of an unknown isotope is approximately 25% less than that of carbon-14. We're given that the half-life of carbon-14 is 5,730 years, whereas which of the following best approximates the half-life in years of the unknown isotope. So, if we're told that we're looking for 25% less than 5,730, what does 25% less mean? Well, we're starting out at 100%, right? 100% of the half-life is 5,730, and we're subtracting 25% from it. So what we have left, this half-life, is 75% of the half-life of carbon-14. What does 75% mean? Well, percent is a number out of 100, so 75% equals 75 divided by 100, or 0.75. So this is the proportion of the half-life that we are looking for. So 0.75 times 5,730 is going to give us our answer. And if you plug in this into your calculator, you get 4,297.5, which is best approximated by B 4300. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.